friends, welcome to the WizBiz Talks of Rotary District 3141. Rotary Year 2021 is a vision year with District Governor Sunil Mehra at the helm of affairs, wherein many new initiatives have been introduced to create a difference in the society and make Rotary seen. WizBiz Talks is a unique and hot from oven initiative. It's an initiative to support Rotarians to support Rotary. In WizBiz Talks, we talk to visionary Rotarians who, by virtue of the selfless work towards the community, have reached important decisive positions, and their actions today will help Rotary to serve more and make a difference. I am your host, Dr. Manish Motwani, a weight loss surgeon, that's a bariatric surgeon, and the Chief Coordinator for Rotary District 3141 in the year 2021. Friends, our guest on WizBiz Talks today is a kind-hearted, selfless, and a true Rotarian who has exemplified the meaning of service about self. A Rotarian with more than 3 years of Rotary experience. A Rotarian from the illustrious Rotary Club of Mumbai Downtown Sealand. Yes, friends, he is none other than Rotarian Girdhari Lal Modi. He has been a charter member of the club. He is into business of industrial production of silver. Despite making a start from a small town in Rajasthan with humble beginnings, Girdhari Lal ji has expanded his wings of business all across the country. A true philanthropic nature, he carries around and believes in serving his Janmabhoomi and Karmabhoomi. He's been awarded many honors in Rajasthan and Gujarat, just like he has been honored in Rotary. He's a true friend to his loved ones, is always ready to support the betterment of children as they are the future of the country. Yes, friends, it's my pleasure to present before you this man of ethics, man of integrity, a man who wishes to see a better tomorrow for all his fellow brethren, an Arch Club Society member, Rotarian Girdhari Lal Modi. Namaste, Girdhari Lal ji.
Thank you. Namaste ji, namaste. Namaste.
गिरधारी लाल जी, आज आप हमारे इस शो पे आए, WizBiz Talks, बहुत अच्छा लगा. आज आपके आने से हमारे शो को रौनक मिल गई. मैं जानता हूं कि आपको शोर शराबा और दिखावा कुछ पसंद नहीं है, बट आज जो शो में आप यहाँ पे आए हैं, ये शो हमारे रोटेरियंस का है. इट इज फॉर द रोटेरियंस बाय द रोटेरियंस. ये शो से हम उन बहुत सारे रोटेरियंस जो कुछ करना चाहते हैं लेकिन वो डिसीजन नहीं ले सक रहे हैं, उनको हम इंस्पायर करना चाहते हैं, मोटिवेट करना चाहते हैं. हम लोगों को बताना चाहते हैं कि अगर गिरधारी लाल जी को रोटरी पे और रोटरी फाउंडेशन पे इतना भरोसा है तो आपको क्यों नहीं. तो बस अगर आपकी इजाजत हो तो मैं आगे बढ़ूं.
जी जरूर.
गिरधारी लाल जी, आप डाउनटाउन सीलैंड के चार्टर मेंबर हैं एंड वो क्लब के सारे मेंबर्स आपको बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं. लेकिन आपने रोटरी के लिए, भले आप न कहना चाहे, आप रोटरी के लिए बहुत करते हैं, आप सपोर्ट करते हैं रोटरी को, रोटरी फाउंडेशन को. हम सब आपके लाइफ के बारे में, आपके अबाउट यू इन पर्सनल जानना चाहते हैं. आप, आपकी फैमिली, आपके सोच विचार, इसके बारे में कुछ हमें बताइए.
वेल, जब आप बिजनेस करते हो, व्हेन यू डू सम बिजनेस, यू अर्न मनी. So something should be kept separately for the poor people, for those who could not come near to you. In my class, for example, we were 60-70 students in any college. I don't know where they are, but many of them, they could not get in something in their life except some small job in Rajasthan or some PWD, etc., etc. I could achieve something. It's my duty to contribute something for them. Not for them, but those who could not come up in my hometown or Janmabhoomi or Karmabhoomi, they need something. So, certain percentage of my income from day one, I keep separate, and I try to give them spend that money, especially for the children, those who have not seen the world below 10 years. Sometimes they don't have education, they don't have books, they don't have scholarship, they don't have treatment, heart. Somebody ill with a heart problem, etc. So we try to help something to them. So every year, before I sign my balance sheet, I keep some money separate from the for that. This was instruction guideline given by my elder brother. He said that when you signed your balance sheet, think of those who were with you, some poor people in hometown, Karambhumi, Janambhumi, keep that money separate. So since beginning, I am doing that. I started my business in 65, but I think 68 or 69, I started keeping money separate. And then I founded from a trust. So we transferred the money to trust. Good thing is, Mr. Arun Jaitley has given us 2% more. He has given 2% more that you deduct from the balance sheet, you spend. He could have asked, okay, give me, give to government. But he said, you spend because you know where it is needed. So that is additional money I get nowadays, 2% CSR. So better we spend some money on the children, or nowadays COVID food is big problem everywhere. So try to help them something.
गिरिराज जी, आपकी फैमिली के बारे में कुछ हमें बताइए.
We have 5 brothers. Two are no more. My eldest brother came to Bombay in 1958 or 48 or some time. Our forefathers were in speculation. My elder brother and my father all were in speculations of silver, gold, oil, etc. After passing engineering, I came to Bombay. I could not get a job. So my elder brother said, you start some import business. So I started something in this business. In 1974, silver export is permitted officially because we had a lot of silver in the country. And because of poverty, silver was coming in the market to sell. So I started export to UK, USA, Japan, around the world. We were exporting 98.6% silver purity because this was a purity guarantee approved by Government of India, by Reserve Bank of India. Worldwide, it was 99.9%. So our silver used to go there, they refine, they charge us refined charges, etc., etc. So once I asked him, can we refine in India? So why not? Then I have seen a couple of refineries in Europe. Then I set up my own refinery, made 99.9 silver. Then I went to Reserve Bank, look, world is 99.9. And you are approving 98.6. Why not 99.9? Then they came, they approved. And then in India, 99.9 bar was good delivery bar. And then we started export. I also thought after this silver is over, it's a limit. We are not producing silver. What we'll do? Then came in contact. Okay, you can make contact. So that time I was commercially important person, so everybody will welcome, all refinery will welcome because I used to give them tons of silver every week. So I saw a couple of companies making electrical contact. So I started small way electrical contact manufacturing in India. And then we got a joint venture, technical know-how from German company and all that. So that's the beginning of my career.
Fantastic. So much to learn. And how you have started, you said, Giriraj ji, that you started looking out for a job and then you started your own work. Yes, I also heard that you respect your elder brother a lot and he has also been a guiding force and
absolutely
he suggested you something.
Two things he told me one day I was trying to, I was talking, I used to sit between a gaddi. So say, if I buy this, I buy this, then I get so much money. He said, look, don't make any dirty money. Don't bring any copper which does not belong to you in the home. You can eat, drink, you have enough money, but don't bring anything which does not belong to you. And when you earn some money, keep something for the poor people. The two things he told me, and I'm still following his footsteps, his guidelines.
These are some lovely words, and I think so. This is like a message coming to youngsters like us also. That
Yes.
We should also try to do this, because if you keep doing good for others, automatically God is going to do good to you also. So I feel just without any intentions of getting back something, just keep giving and do what is in your capacity. Girdhari Lal ji might have a different capacity, I might have a different capacity, but if we keep doing things as per our capacity and keep doing regularly, it will be a show of kindness and God will always bless us.
And one thing, I am not doing donation. I am not doing donation. I am compensating
Right.
something from my those who could not earn, those who could not come to my level. I am compensating them.
Fantastic, fantastic. Lovely thoughts. So, Girdhari Lal ji, I have been interviewing so many people, and I'm actually, this has become a very selfish thing for me. I'm learning every time I'm speaking to a senior person, I'm learning every time I'm speaking to an experienced person. In turn, I'm getting a lot of know how about what should be our thought process, how should we live life, how should we act in life. And thank you so much for your kind words. It's been really helpful. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Girdhari Lal ji, you have been an avid supporter of Rotary Foundation. And you have done some large-hearted, generous donations to Rotary Foundation. Why did you choose Rotary Foundation over any other charity organization for your donations? Was it only because you are a Rotarian since so many decades, or you really trust Rotary Foundation so much that you feel that the money is going to be used properly?
See, Rotary, when we go to Rotary Club, we meet many people. And people bring different ideas that there's something, food is needed, or some medicine needed, something needed. I do not know. I can't reach there. They can reach. And they are well-placed people, Rotarian. So there won't be any problem with the money, as far as I know. 100% will reach there. It will be utilized for the purpose he's asking. Not only Rotary, in my hometown, we don't have Rotary. So there is a Lions Club. And they are distributing food, cooking food and ration kits, etc. So, okay, you do it because they can do it. I can't go to my hometown and distribute 500 people or 1,000 people the food every day. So they were doing it. Similarly, in Vapi, there are Agarwal Samaj or Rotary Club of Vapi and Rajasthan Club. They are in Vapi. They were distributing food to all the trespassers, those who are going to hometown, etc. For months together, thousands of people every day eat food. So we know that this money is going and utilized properly. So Rotary is the place where money is utilized properly. For the project, suppose somebody giving it some corner, some medicine or some help, it reaches there. So, because Rotarians are by and large dependable.
Fantastic. These are some golden words that you have said, Girdhari Lal ji. So I would just like to summarize what he has just said, and I'm so happy to have these opinions from a person who's doing so much for Rotary, and the reasons are very clear that Rotarians themselves are well-to-do people.
Yes.
In Rotary, we have these well-to-do people who have already made something for themselves, who want to contribute to the society, are going to be transparently using this money for the benefit of others.
Absolutely.
Rotarians take this as a matter of pride to get a chance to serve the society. And
right.
Who better can Girdhari Lal ji trust than Rotarians to do such a worthy cause, because right. He feels that he cannot reach everyone. He cannot reach everyone. He cannot reach every place. So he keeps his eyes and minds and ears open when people say that yes, इस जगह पे ये जरूरत है, whether here it's regarding children education or regarding food or regarding any other project which really touches his heart. He says, okay, I cannot reach there. I can at least be a partner in the good work that you are doing, and I will support the cause. You do the work, I will support you. And this is, friends, a lovely combination, because when you come in Rotary, everyone gives something. Someone gives money, someone gives expertise, someone gives time. And all this combined leads to an important project which can benefit hundreds and thousands of people. So Girdhari Lal ji, what you said in a nutshell spoke so many things, and so thank you so much. It is very revealing that yes, these great ideas, when if taken up by others, it can really make a difference to thousands of lives.
Thank you very much.
Girdhari Lal ji, one more thing I wanted to ask you. what was the reason? Girdhar ji, you are an Arts Club Society member. I know you don't like any felicitations, but I would just like to let people know what is an Arts Club Society member. Who is an Arts Club Society member? Friends, an Arts Club Society member is a member who contributes large-heartedly to the Rotary Foundation. To reach a level of Arts Club Society, you have to contribute around $250,000 to the Rotary Foundation. People like Girdhar Lal ji don't count whether I've given 1,000, 10,000, 1 lakh, 100,000 or $300,000. It is basically the idea in mind that yes, I want to give something to the society. I have made enough. I have made for myself. There are certain others who have not reached the level they should have reached, who have not been possibly as successful. I want to contribute for them. This is the thought process in mind. And so a person who in today's date, you can say contributes around 1.7 crores, becomes an Arts Club Society member. Now, Girdhar Lal ji, I would like to know one question directly from your heart. Who was the person who influenced you, or who convinced you, or it was just you on your own who felt that I should go and do this contribution and become a member of Arts Club Society? I know you're not concerned about being an Arts Club Society member. That is not important for you. But who told you to do this kind of a contribution, or how did you get convinced on your own that I should do this kind of a contribution?
Well, it's not a question of who pursued with me. I think we should give some money to society, because we are making, there is no end. I can buy a big house, big palace or something. I'm not very keen, or buy big diamonds for the wife or children, etc. Yeah, I'm not keen that way. So if we pay proper tax, so that we get service, and we take out from our profit for the people. Now, whether Arts Club Society or any society, I have not thought over that way. One day, Mrs. Pitti Shah gave me one golden clip, AKS. I never use it, because it shows that you are different than others. The rotary wheel looks beautiful. Rotary wheel looks beautiful. I was in a Toronto conference last year, no, year before. I was asked to sit in a Arts Club Society sitting area. Except me, everybody was wearing. I never use it. I said, Rotary wheel is more than sufficient. You are Rotarian? He said, okay.
So,
he said, Rotarian, yeah, okay. Why to have a separate seat that, look, I'm a KS or I'm a BKS? What is this?
Fantastic. So, friends, again, if you try to understand from what Girdhar Lal ji has said, that he is happy being a Rotarian, and he believes in two things. One, we should pay our tax regularly so that we should get service from the government, because we are haqdar of that. And second, we should pay something for others, which will give us satisfaction, inner satisfaction, that we have been able to do something who are lesser privileged. Fantastic. Girdhar Lal ji, one question which is, it is a simple question, but it is also something in which we need to put a lot of thought process. What are the changes you would like to bring in Rotary in time to come?
See, I'm not that expert, but one thing I have in mind, that our club, our district should have a business directory of Rotarians. Business directory, so who is making what, so we can interact if we want something, or we can give things. Then we are sure that we'll get right material, or we'll supply right material, because Rotarian will not play with the quality or product and all that. So there should be something like that. Otherwise, Rotary is a platform to reach any corner of the world.
Fantastic. Girdhar Lal ji, I'll just like to brief you 1 second. You know, the name of this talk is Viz Biz Talks. And I'm very thankful to DG Sunil that he has permitted me to do what I really wanted to do. Though I'm the chief coordinator, but you know, you have to have that governor's consent that yes, Manish, go ahead. So this Viz Biz Talks, the full form of this is Vision Business Talks. For a long period of time, it was always considered that in Rotary you only do social service, and the new generation always used to think, what is in it for me? When we can grow together, when we can work together, do service together, why not have professions together? For example, I'll tell you, I run a bariatric surgery center. I'm a weight loss surgeon. I'm also the head of department of bariatric surgery at Hinduja Hospital and Raheja Hospital. सर लेकिन मेरी जो हॉस्पिटल है खुद की, उसमें अगर मेरे पास 125 वेंडर्स है, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी जो आपने आज मुझे कहा, बिकॉज यू ट्रस्ट रोटेरियंस ब्लाइंडली. If I have got 125 vendors associated to my hospital who provide me this or that, 95 out of 125 are Rotarians.
Very good, very good.
Because whether it is a small business I can give him or I can do a big business together with him, I know that I am assured of quality. And absolutely. I don't have to do a check second time because I trust them. Because if अगर मेरे मन में खोट होता था तो मुझ में हर एक आदमी में मुझे खोट नजर आएगी. लेकिन
he won't disappear.
मैं किसी के साथ गलत नहीं करता हूँ, मुझे सामने वाला तो अच्छा ही नजर आएगा. This is what I have started seeing in Rotarians. And so when a Rotarian comes to me that yes, I can provide you, for example, X-ray films, I can do the pathology with you, I can do the construction for your place, I blindly trust Rotarians. And this is what exactly you are saying. And that is the reason of this WizBiz talks, where हम जैसे आप जैसे लोगों को भी इंट्रोड्यूस करते हैं. आपने देखा मैंने आपके वर्क के बारे में भी कुछ कहा. I asked you about your work. I have done this with all the 183 interviews that I have taken till now. Of every president, every district project director, every assistant governor, every core team member, so that everyone knows what my fellow people are doing and they can connect with each other for business. Why not grow together as a small knit family in business also? So this is what District Governor Sunil had put up the indications from the day one, and this is what WizBiz Talks is also all about. And आपके साथ हमारी ideas इतनी match होती है. Thank you so much for these words. This is lovely.
Thank you very much.
So Girdhar Lal ji, first of all, thank you so much for the privilege given to have this interview. It has been a lovely experience with you on WizBiz Talks.
Thank you very much.
We take the liberty of posting these videos to all Rotary clubs, social media pages of Rotary District 3141 also. Your interview is going to be viewed by Rotarians and non-Rotarians. I am sure this interview will inspire many others to work with Rotary and associate with Rotary for service projects. We would also be showing this interview at the Golden Hearts CSR and Global Grants Conclave on the 19th of September, Girdhar Lal ji, on the virtual platform. Since you are a strong supporter of work done by Rotary, do support us by passing this message of CSR and Global Grants Conclave to your industry connections to support Rotary and thus support mankind.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Girdhar Lal ji. Girdhar Lal ji, एक और छोटी सी चीज आपसे पूछूंगा. On the 19th of September, Rotary has done a very nice work, Sunil ji and the entire CSR team. Normally clubs को पैसे थोड़े कम रहते हैं projects के लिए, and खास करके today it is an economic slowdown going on for the entire world. तो clubs भी इतना out of the way contribute नहीं कर सकते. So what we have told to gather some projects, and we have met around 500 corporates. We are bringing these clubs and corporates together on one platform, and we want to see that how we can get the two meet. Finally, काम होना चाहिए, project should happen, good work for the society should happen. Can you just give us share some message for this initiative of Golden Hearts CSR and Global Grant Conclave?
It's a good idea. Sunil ji is doing very unique idea. He is very intelligent man doing some good, bringing some good idea. So why not? And
do you think the meeting, like getting corporates, because कोई भी club को अगर आज corporate को ढूंढना है तो पहले तो उनको head तक पहुंचते they take a lot of time to reach there. By the time the year gets over and then the new president might continue or not continue. Is it a good idea to get both of them on the same platform? Will it help generating more work?
Why not?
बस तो आपका आशीर्वाद रहे. I would also request your team people, because you said CSR, you all also involve yourself in CSR. I would request you to tell your CSR team also, and आप भी please आइए 19 September को. I'll be sending you the link personally. Please do join us on the Golden Hearts CSR and Global Grant Conclave. I'm sure you will be able to see almost 200 projects, and you might feel that yes, this is one project where again I want to support or be a part of, and we are looking forward to that too, sir.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.